everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If your Twitter is not in your preferred language, in today's video we are going to show you how you can quickly change it. So you can use this feature right here to understand and prefer the application on your preferred language. So let's just get started. Open up the Twitter app for that, and once we open up the Twitter app, we may head over to our profile picture icon, usually in the top left. Tap on it and access it up, and within here scroll down, find settings and support, drop it down, and there look out for the option called settings and privacy, and we click on it. Now once we are headed towards our settings, what we need to do is scroll down and go to the section for accessibility, display and languages. Find it up and tap on it, and within here we select the option called languages. So you can just go over and click on it, and what it will do is we can manage which language are used to personalize our experience on X, the Twitter. So you can tap on it, and once you tap on this application, you can select up your preferred language. So you can search the language at the top. You can type in the search, and there you can just go over and select your language. And once it is done, you can just go over and tap on next. And once we tap on it, we can confirm this up. Usually this is the default application, so you can just go over and click on next. And when you click on next, the language will be the preferred language that we have done. If you want to change it back again, you may just head over to the main page like this. If this page is available, again head over to your profile in the top left, and within here select settings and privacy, and scroll to the section, find accessibility, display and languages. If you even do not understand the language, you can select the very second last option and click on it. And once we click on it, we may select the third option, and within there select the option of English, and then confirm it up, and that is it. And that's it. Now we have changed the language on Twitter. You may just go over and follow up these steps for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.